Hi, how are you? My name's Edward Plant, founder of the Business League. My wife Rebecca and I run the Business League and have done for the last, 5 years, though the Business League is now about 8.5 years old. We've got you registered as coming to our breakfast on Tuesday, the 17th of April. Super excited about it, and we're running a 100% networking event. We ran one at the beginning of the month. This one will be slightly different, but same impact, same results. And we had one of the guests turn up and say, "Wow, you guys actually network." And she was really surprised at that, which is a bit interesting going to a networking breakfast. But what my goal is for you is to get at least one, but preferably 3 quality connections for your business. So at the beginning of the month, I think there were about 50 people in the room, and I think we passed about 150 amazing connections amongst the group. I guaranteed that people didn't leave without a good connection, and everybody got that great connection. So the breakfast is on Tuesday the 17th of April. It's at Parkwood International Golf Course. The details are all in the email that you've just received. Come along excited to do business with business cards, and we'll take care of you. There'll be somebody to meet you at the door, introduce you to a couple of people, and make sure you have an amazing morning. If you've got any questions at all, no matter how small they are, please hit reply and ask them, and I'm here to help you out. Edward Plant here, looking forward to seeing you on Tuesday. See you soon.